Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, happy graduation day, BMC graduates. Thank you, BMC, for giving me the privilege to deliver the graduate response on this momentous day. I'm deeply thankful for your contributions, faculties and staff, fellow graduates, and especially to our parents and loved ones, even though they are not here. A wonderful and pleasant day. I'm thankful, blessed, and grateful to be part of these graduations. It's such a big honor. It's fulfilling and fulfillment. My heart is overflowing with the gratitude. When I started studying, I learned and analyzed the data about the business management course. It was challenging, fun, exciting, and full of surprising at the same time. So I'm preparing my daily list the night before. It will clear on my mind. I set up my goals and I write it down my priorities. It's a huge impact and factor to achieve my dreams and goals. I believe entrepreneurship provides lots of opportunity for creativity and innovations. Meaning, I can create a product that can help many people in their everyday life. I believe what we are doing right now will shape our future. I believe what our habits today will pay off in the making. That's why I choose rightly and wisely. Because what we are prioritizing and invest today will determine our future. I'm not in a competition with anyone else. The only rival I have when I was yesterday. Last year, I was different. I've grown, I've developed, I've improved. And that's what truly matters. It's me versus me. Every day, I wake up ready to push myself further. I pursue and striving to the best version of myself. I won't let someone else's success make me feel small. Their journey is there, and mine is mine. I know where I come from, and I know where I'm going. So I keep pushing forward, not to be better than anyone else, better than I was. Just a reminder, life is like a roller coaster. Life is a journey with ups and downs. But remember, every challenge we face, it's an opportunity to grow. Don't rush the process. Trust ourselves and embrace each step. The key to success is persistent and consistent. And every small effort counts. Keep pushing forward no matter the obstacles, because better days are coming. Stay positive and keep believing ourselves. The moral lesson I learned when I know my passion and purpose, when I think out of the box, when I get out of my comfort zone, that is my breakthrough. I have the power to control and innovate my habit in my life. I need to prioritize my growth as a human, as a leader. Because knowledge, discipline, skill set, patience, strategies, hard work, perseverance, endurance, wisdom, faith in God is our vehicle that will change our life. On behalf of our fellow graduates, with pride and honor, the long wait is over. We finally made it. My heartfelt congratulations and mabuhay BMC Bash Class
Thank you so much, Roylan, for the inspiring words. Another one more student? A small inside? A big round of applause.